Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Air Inlet. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new air inlet. The air inlet is located at the bottom of the dishwasher door, and it's where the air circulates through the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can use the Torx 15 driver to take out the screws to hold the front panel on. Once you have the last screw out, we can close the dishwasher door. If your panel doesn't drop down, you can pull down a little bit on it. And you can pull the top out. And you can lift up about an inch or two and then pull it off the dishwasher. In order to get the air inlet off, we have to remove these screws that run along the bottom of the door panel. But first we're going to remove this wire harness holder because it's in the way of one of the screws. So we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver to release these locking tabs. Once you have the tabs released, you can just kind of get the harness out of the way. Then we can use a 3/16 inch nut driver to take out the screws. The screws are a little bit below the level of the tub right here, so you just carefully flex this down a little bit. Don't bend it so far so you bend the tub. Just flex a little bit so you can get the nut driver on there. Once you have all the screws out, you can open up the door and take off the air inlet. If the air inlet is stuck to the door, you can just reach in and pull it off. If it fell off like ours did, you can just reach in and pull it out of the bottom of the dishwasher. Here's the old air inlet next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new air inlet in, you want to make sure you clean this area up. And you can set the air inlet in place. When you close the door, the air inlet is going to fall off. So we're just going to put some tape to hold it in place. Even when we're putting the screws in from the back side, we may have to open up the door and move the air inlet a little bit so we can get the screws to line up. Once you have the tape in place, you can close the dishwasher door. We're going to use a 3/16 inch nut driver to put the screws in. Just like when we took them out, we're going to bend the tub down a little bit if we have to. Once you have all the screws in, we can reattach the wiring harness holder. All you have to do is line it up and snap it in. Once you have that on, we can put the front panel on. When you put the front panel on, you want to make sure that the front panel goes behind this bracket right here on both sides. Once you have it lined up, you just have to set it in place. Then you can push the top in. We're going to open up the door while we hold on to the front panel. And as you lower it down, you can line up the screw holes. Then we can use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have all the screws in, we can take the tape off the air inlet. Once you have the tape off, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.